Hello everybody, done a video Saturday with that stuff I bought from the butchers, a jerk chicken, an occasion chicken. Went to edit it, had no audio, so that was a complete waste of time, weren't it? Yeah, probably have to do it again I suppose. That was nice and delicious, but there was no audio so you couldn't hear nothing. I don't think I plugged my mic in properly, which was a shame. So what I've decided I'm going to do, a couple of times a week I'm going to start doing a taste test video, put it out right in the morning time or whatever. If you watch it, you watch it, if you don't, you don't. That's just thought that's what I'd do, just a couple of times a week or something cheap and cheerful. So today I'm going to be doing this. Got it from Tesco's, Chinese style chicken and prawn noodles, taste of China. Chicken, prawns and freshly frozen vegetables in a spicy soya sauce. £2.80, serves two, so that's £1.40 per person, which I don't think is bad at all. So let's open it up, let's cook it, and let's have a crack, see what it's like. Okay, so let's have a look then. I say from Tesco's, Chinese style chicken and prawn noodles, taste of China, cooked from frozen, 12 minutes. So it's a quick meal, ain't it? Half a pack is 325 calories. You got everything in now. I mean, we'll open it up in a second anyway. There's all the ingredients, have yourselves a look. And the nutrition. And that's how we cook it, quite simple. I've already had a look. Place the contents in a frying, I'm going to use a frying pan or a wok. 2 tablespoons of water, stir fry for 2 minutes on a high heat, then reduce the heat and simmer to a medium and fry for 8 to 10. There you go, nice and simple. So I'll get the pan on first. We'll have a look when we pour it in, because it'll be better to see it all, won't it? See how much we get. Right, pan's heated up. I'm going to open it up now and we'll have a look. I mean, it's full to the brim. It is full to the brim. We get it all in. I mean, you get quite a lot there. I'm just going to wilt down, innit? 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. Fry for 2 minutes. I think I've done something similar to this, an Aldi one before, ages and ages ago, I think. I'm not 100% sure. A few prawns in there. There's a bit more chicken than prawns. And prawns are expensive, ain't they, anyway, so they're not going to pack it with prawns, are they? Well, that's been 2 minutes. Still a bit frozen, but then it's got to do for another 8 to 10. So we're going to turn the temperature down to medium and let it do its thing for like 10 minutes. Right, guys, it's done. There's not much soy sauce in there, to be honest with you, but I suppose it's all mingled in. It looks nice. Let's dish it up then. Turn the pan off. So we get a bit of everything. Some bowls. And you do get quite a lot, actually. I want to see exactly how much you get. I mean, these are big, massive bowls anyway, these are. Yeah, so a couple of times a week you'll probably get 2 videos, just something like this, tasting and that. Something cheap and cheerful. Well, there's anything cheap and cheerful nowadays. The price of stuff. Get them on there. And that prawn, don't lose that prawn, do we? Like a few prawns. So, there we go then. No, I don't think they look too bad. And you do get two full ones, 2 full bowls. Well, let's have a little taste test of one. So then, what do we think? First impressions for £1.40 a portion. Quite impressed so far for the money. But It's all in the taste, ain't it? All in the taste. So let's have a look. Oops, there we go. Right, let's try. I mean, the chicken's not going to be the best, is it? And there's the chicken. Bit bland. A little bit bland. Let's try prawn. Let's try a bit together. Bit of everything. Bit of everything. Prawn, chicken, noodles, peppers. Yeah, you don't get many prawns, but you're not going to get many prawns, are you? Nice little crunch on them sweet corns, baby corns. That's not bad. I would add more soy sauce to it myself, just to give it that bit more flavour. It's when you have it all together, it's quite a nice taste, but it's not strong enough for me, and it's not spicy at all. Spicy sauce, it's not spicy. One little bit, it says spicy on there. But a bit of soy sauce in there, a bit extra, just to get it all, you know, coated. I think you'd be quite bang on that would, actually. Obviously cheap chicken. But for a cheap meal, £2.80, £1.40 a person. Yeah, I'll give that a thumbs up. Yeah, there you go, something nice and simple. I am going to do a couple of these a day, not a day, a couple of times a week, so you get 2 videos a couple of times. I'm going to go and eat that now. That's for me dinner. That's not too bad at all. But say just a bit more soy sauce, but everyone tastes different, ain't they? But I'd put a little bit more soy sauce. What's the bottle of soy sauce now, a cheap bottle? 70p or something, maybe a bit more, I don't know. I got it in the cupboard, I haven't bought it for a while. Yeah, so there you go. I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Tesco Chinese style chicken and prawn noodles. £2.80, serves 2. Thumbs up from me. See you later. Bye bye.